Hello and welcome back to our channel guys, and today we are diving into a Premier League clash that promised a lot but ended up showing the dominance of one side over the other, Liverpool versus Tottenham at Anfield. So before we dive in, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button and ring the bell icon for all the latest football updates. Now let's get into the action. Liverpool head coach Jurgen Klopp played this game with a 4-3-3 formation in which he started Alisson at goal, Trent Alexander-Arnold at right back, Kwanzaa and Virgil van Dijk were the two centre backs, and Andy Robertson played this game at left back. In midfield, Endo started this game alongside Alex McAllister and Harvey Elliott, while in attack, Mohamed Salah started this game at right wing, Luis Diaz at left wing, and Cody Gakpo played this game as a centre forward. While Tottenham head coach Ange Postecoglou also played this game with a 4-3-3 formation in which he started Vicario at goal, Pedro Porro at right back, Christian Romero and Van de Ven were the two centre backs, and Emerson played this game at left back. In midfield, Sarr started this game alongside Bissouma and Bentancur. While in attack, Kulusevski started this game at right wing, Brennan Johnson at left wing, and Heung-min Son played this game as a centre forward. So guys, this game was more than just a regular league match for both teams, especially Tottenham, who after Aston Villa's earlier defeat had a golden opportunity to tighten the race for the top 4. But Jurgen Klopp's Liverpool had other ideas, running rampant with a 4-2 victory that put a dampener on the Sports Champions League ambitions. Liverpool's Mohamed Salah returning to the lineup made an immediate impact by putting his team ahead in the first half with a beautiful headed goal. The Reds' pressure continued, and right before half-time, Andy Robertson found himself in the right place at the right time to double the lead. The second half saw Liverpool pick up where they left off, with Cody Gakpo converting a Harvey Elliott's cross before Elliott himself scored a stunner, sending the ball rocketing into the top corner to make it 4. Tottenham Hotspur, despite being outplayed for much of the game, did show some late spark. Richarlison and Heung-min Son managed to pull 2 goals back, adding a bit of respectability to the scoreline, but these were mere consolations in a match dominated by Liverpool. The result leaves Spurs with a mountain to climb if they are to secure a Champions League spot, suffering their 4th consecutive defeat after previous losses to Newcastle, Arsenal and Chelsea. For Liverpool, this win might be too little too late in terms of their title hopes, but it certainly proves they are still a force to be reckoned with. Up next for Tottenham is a daunting clash against Manchester City. Can they turn their fortunes around, or is this the start of a downward spiral? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below. So guys, now let's take a look at the match stats. Liverpool took a total of 25 shots in which 13 of them were on target, while Tottenham took a total of 11 shots in which 6 of them were on target. Liverpool had 45% of possession, while Tottenham had 55% of possession. Liverpool commit 14 fouls, while Tottenham commit 12 fouls. Liverpool got 1 yellow card, while Tottenham got 4 yellow cards. So that's all for today guys. I hope you guys like this video, subscribe my channel and give your opinions in the comment section down below. We will meet you next time. Thank you.